How are you? And they go school? Where? I don't go. No school there here now. No school here at all.
Even nothing.
No hospital, no school.
Even church.
Even church no day. You know me? Ah. How you take know me? Ah. Now make fight stop.
Make it stop. Now what you mean?
I got a prayer.
Ah.
That's awesome.
Okay. That's good. That's good. That's why I'm passing this way now.
That's
How are you people doing? Okay. So you want to make a big school now? Where? Here. This one?
Even university we need.
No.
Well, most of us no go school.
No, university no go come here.
Huh?
You no get land for university.
For here, you get land, plenty land for here.
everywhere.
Which side?
Even here. Enough land there.
Here land everywhere.
I mean, I can live in university.
100.
We'll provide it.
When I get land, I get land plenty. That one and two. I get land plenty. Now they happy this place they like this.
Well, I mean,
I'm not happy.
See waiting what they cost. When we're young, we normally trek from my place to this place for market. We come and keep rice. You stay like 2 weeks safe. You say yeah, rice. Huh? So I don't know what happened. Where is the Tego shop now? The Tego. The one where they sell cement before.
John Wishi.
John
Oh,
Wish.
yeah.
Okay, now that side the front come with compound.
Yeah.
Okay, for park. Okay. Okay. But now they don't enjoy. Now they enjoy small now.
Everywhere good, sir.
That's small.
mosquito too much.
Huh? Mosquito?
Yes.
Don't worry. I will help you now.
We pray so, sir.
But I'm not going to help you through anybody. I'm going to come help you straight.
Thank you, sir.
I will come help you straight. Because me, I know they happy. I know even if from no Abangwa. From here, we did go Abangwa before. Before I know Abakaliki self. I did here. In fact, it's when I did go university where I go Abakaliki. And here I know from Abangwa. Before. Huh? So, okay, when I did do transport?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. I did well. I did load for park here now. Yeah. I did well. Not be smart, you know. I be conductor. I do conductor for so many people here. Where is Kwamoto's house here? No be this na Nkwo now, no. Na Nwankwo before. Nwankwo. We born yes, the one where they carry message 911 that time. Yes. Anambra man.
Don't go.
You don't go.
You don't go. You don't see the compound go since.
Oh.
You don't hold. The man don't hold.
You don't hold. The man don't hold.
They did the one for.
Yes.
Yes. You don't hold. You don't go.
In children, kwa? Yes. I think they come from Anambra people. Ah. Well, if I'm done there like this, so if I'm will be market before, one of our best market. Hmm? People where they live village, inside village, did they come out?
Yes.
Okay. When I want make I develop now here, because here now, here this place now belongs to government. I've been now in a village. Which place when I want make I develop? No, hold on now. Hold on now. Make you listen to me. This is why I know they talk to people where they for Bakaliki. Because if I talk to people where they for Bakaliki, they go say make I develop their place. I say which place where I go develop? Now here, I've been inside village.
And everywhere go develop.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Go give me money now. Huh? You go give me money, make I develop everywhere.
God will provide. Support for our own power.
Okay. I don't want to make una fight again. Fight no good. Fight no good at all. We'll be brothers. Fight no good at all. Fight no good at all. Fight no good at all. The other day I visited Frank Umwe house where I did stay before. I know recognize that place. Place where I don't stay 7 years. Sir. I know recognize them. When Frank was coordinator, I did stay there. When he finished, we did house together. I did come there. In fact, if you Frank Mama dey alive now, she will tell you say I been begin. But I no recognize that place now. Even the woman died, I no come for her burial because of this una fight. There is no place that if you start fighting and destruction of properties that develop. You understand? Yeah, that's why as I dey pass, I say make I stop. Peace don dey return small. Make we no dey afraid of anybody. Anybody wey start kpam, no be for my administration o. Nobody go kill anybody for my administration and I go expect the person. I no go fit do am.